There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S, diva.
What's up, everybody? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl A, and today you already know we're on a budget with a baddie wig to slay. Okay, what's up, everybody? So I hope y'all all are doing great today, staying motivated, positive, out the way, and minding your business like I always say. What's up? Now, y'all already know this is about to be a budget-friendly wig where you can get your wig on Amazon Prime and always get it on time, okay? What I tell y'all, Amazon Prime, get your wig on time. I love Amazon. I love Amazon, but I also love this budget-friendly wig brand called UNICE in the pink box. Y'all see, I'm always here repping them. They have the best of the best of the best lace wigs. And when I tell y'all that I only had a few, this is definitely one of the few in my category of favorite wig companies. Yes, UNICE is definitely one of my favorite wig companies. I love the prices. I love the evolvement that they've done. And girl, the wigs are everything. When I tell you they everything. This one right here is a pre-everything. I have not opened the box up yet. I don't remember what she looks like, but I have faith. I have faith and I have trust in UNICE, because what I tell y'all before, their name is UNICE. You can't go wrong with a wig that has the word nice in it, okay? So let's open her on up. You can check them out on Amazon. You can also check them out on AliExpress and their website as well. They have a bunch of wigs that I'm pretty sure you ladies would love to check out. The prices are right. And if you're trying to get a weave done, honey, they got bundle hair too. So inside your box, you will get a wig cap and a melting band as well. So this one is a 13x4, and this is a pre-everything lace wig. This is in 24 inches as it says right here. And I'm seeing a little bit of color. So let's see what she's looking like. Okay. Ah, yes, yes. Now also in the bag comes some tape. So if you want to tape her down, you can do so. If you want to tape somebody's mouth shut, you can do so too. Now, I do remember this one. So this one right here is a very pretty color. She is in like that gingerish brown Auburn, and she's already pre-everything for you, girl. Pre-bleach, pre-cut, pre-thin, pre-pluck, and pre-approved. And I know I forgot something, but girl, we'll get that to another time. Now, she does have a roller in her as well, okay? Because she has curtain bang, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-styled, and pre-approved by me, okay? Now, like I said, this is a 13x4, and there was a piece of tape on here, but I accidentally removed it, but that's fine. So she does come with the normal things, which is one comb on each side. There's also a comb in the nape area, an adjustable elastic band if you would like to remove her, an adjustable strap at the bottom so that way you can tighten her up, and the best of the best of the best, all the security you need, which is the drawstring. So you get in 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of security, and if you want to count the tape, you get 5 pieces of security in a wig. Girl, I don't care if you get in a fight. I don't care if a tornado comes through and picks you up. I don't care if you fall in the pool, okay, a tsunami, your wig better stay on in your head. If somebody try to snatch that wig off and go, sweetheart, I'm gonna need you to be stuck to the wig. You're gonna go with the wig. They're not snatching anything but souls, okay? Because the wig is going to stay on. And the strongest win, this wig is going to stay on.
You did that, yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. Cigarette, no, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. got it back, baby. It was just a love bomb. Really wish you didn't push me away. I was willing to try long as it takes. I would never say we were a mistake, but fleeting romance doesn't a lifetime make. That initial blood, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, baby. Lay in each other's arms all day, all day. Say me it's just because it's Tuesday. Tell me where we went wrong. Started as fantasy, ended as enemies. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, babe?
Y'all know I was debating whether I should put her on the side. Should I really repart her? But listen, I already did what I needed to do. I'm not about to go back in and redo everything. But anyway, other than that, the color is really pretty. I think this is an anytime season color. Okay, you could wear this in the fall, the winter, the spring, the summer. Girl, listen, do you look extra cute when you put your wig on and go about your day? I like the layering. I'm glad that the lace is doing what it's supposed to do. And as y'all seen, I do pull out some of the hairs at the very, very front, only because it's kind of like in a row, very, very at the edge. So I just pull them out. But I like this. It just came out cute. 24 inches, 13x4. Girl, what more can you ask for? Okay. Everything pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-styled, and pre-cut, and pre-approved. If y'all on a budget, girl, get you a wig from Amazon, Amazon Prime. Get your wig on time, girl. You definitely want to check out UNICE because they definitely come through with the best of the best of the best for less. Okay. Let me know what y'all think of this unit right here. Do you like her more in a side part or a middle part? Which one do you prefer, on yourself or on me? Either way, if you stay to the very end, please leave me a pink heart in the comments. I love y'all. Stay diva and divolicious as always. Stay blessed, motivated, and positive. And I will see y'all in the next one.
It was just a love bomb. You were so romantic. We were picture perfect. So much freaking passion. Why we never got it back.